You must have tried all expensive products on your hair, but result is not like this. And you might be wondering what product I use for such a healthy hairs, but honestly, I don't rely on any expensive products and I won't tell you to either because beautiful hair doesn't come with a high price tag. But girls, don't worry because what I will share with you are 5 simple steps that cost nothing, and if you follow them daily with consistency, you will see definitely your hair becoming more beautiful and healthier than before like this. By the way, girls, you can trust me on this even more than you trust your boyfriend. Sorry, just joking. But these tips will actually change your hair forever because it gives you healthier, shinier, and bouncier hair than any expensive product ever could. Just look at the shine and thickness. And honestly, I don't even use conditioner, serum, or any fancy mask. And I didn't spend thousands on products to get here. It's all about the simple, natural care that anyone can do. And trust me, if I can get these results, so can you. Because honestly, healthy hair doesn't need any drama. It just needs simple and right care. Without wasting any further, let's just start. And please do subscribe to my channel because you're gonna like this video so much. The first step is a gentle scalp massage. Massaging your scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes help improve blood circulation, strengthen your hair roots, and also reduce stress. Step 2 is the inversion method with upside down combing. And trust me, this is not just a quick TikTok trend, it actually works. Bend forward and let your hair fall and gently massage or comb from the roots to end for about 5 to 6 minutes. And why do it? Because flipping your head upside down instantly boosts blood flow to your scalp, which can wake up lazy hair follicles and encourage hair growth. It also helps natural oil travel evenly from your scalp down the length so your hair looks shinier without using any serum. And also, this position relieves scalp tension, gives you the mini head rush, and even reduces the stress. Think of it as a quick self care hack that doubles up as a growth trick. But just remember, if you feel dizzy or have any health issue like migraine, neck pain, or BP problems, skip this one. Safety first always. Moving to step 3, fenugreek seed water, also called methi water. Now, don't underestimate these tiny golden seeds because they are literally a hair care powerhouse. Soak a spoonful of fenugreek seed overnight, strain the water in the morning, and use it as a rinse or spray. What does it do? It's packed with proteins and nicotic acid that helps fight hair fall, strengthen your roots, and even reduce dandruff naturally. If your scalp gets itchy or flaky, this works like magic. And the best part, with regular use, fenugreek seed makes your hair super soft and smooth and less frizzy. Step 4 is very simple and very easy to make, but this is something most people ignore. But it can literally save your hair. Always braid your hair before going to bed. It might sound very simple, but it affects a lot. When you sleep with open hair, every toss and turn causes the friction that leads to breakage, split ends, frizz, and even hair fall. But when you tie a loose braid, your hair stays protected all night. This small habit not only keeps your hair stronger and smoother but also help it grows longer because you're preventing daily damage. And the best part, you will actually notice less hair on your pillow in the morning, and that's how effective it is. And trust me, this is one of the most oldest and most effective hair care habit that actually turns wonderful results and that actually works. Step 5 is actually my all time favorite, rinsing your hair with rice water. Rice water is packed with amino acids, vitamin, and inositol, a natural compound that repairs damaged hair and protects it from the future breakage. That's why women in ancient Japan and China used rice water as their secret to unbelievably long and shiny hair. When you rinse your hair with rice water once or twice a week, it strengthens the root and reduces split ends and make your hair look naturally glossy and bouncy without using any expensive serum. And trust me, I never used any serum or any expensive conditioners on my hair. It's just the natural thing that rice water works like magic on my hair all the time. So these were the 5 ancient yet super effective steps that I personally follow for my hair. And trust me, if you stay consistent with them, you will see your hair getting stronger and shinier and healthier even before. Thanks for watching. Bye.